This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone must have cellular data and personal hotspot enabled. Plug the USB cable into the phone and PC, or enable Wi-Fi hotspot on the iPhone so the PC can see the network. Once done, accept any trust prompts on the phone and enter the hotspot password if using Wi-Fi. You do this because the device creates a routed network from the carrier to your computer. Enabling trust ensures drivers and tethering permissions install immediately. Now configure the PC to use the iPhone connection. On Windows, open Network Settings and enable the iPhone Network Adapter. On Mac OS, pick the iPhone in Network Preferences. Once selected, the PC typically uses DHCP. If it does not, assign a simple IP on the same subnet. Make sure your firewall permits outbound traffic from common apps and temporarily disconnect VPNs that can hijack routes. You do this because correct adapter and route settings prevent packet loss and give stable. Finish by verifying connectivity. Load a web page and run a quick speed test so you can confirm latency and throughput. Monitor data usage in iPhone settings to avoid overages, and when done, disconnect by turning off personal hotspot or unplugging the cable to stop background syncs. If things go wrong, toggle personal hotspot, reboot both the iPhone and PC, and retry. This clears stale network states and reloads drivers. You do this because most tethering issues are transient and fixed by a reset or reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.